Hello everyone! Welcome back to Choosy Quiz! Today, you'll choose a magical Kinder Joy and reveal your Sanrio dream life. Pick your Kinder Joy, Hello Kitty, Cinnamoroll, or Kuromi. Keep your choice until the end because every reveal matches your Kinder Joy theme. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon for more fun challenges. Choose your Kinder Joy, Hello Kitty, Cinnamoroll, or Kuromi. Wow! This bedroom looks amazing! Are you happy with your choice? Choose your Kinder Joy to reveal your ball gown. I would love to wear this gown. What about you? Which magical shoes are hidden inside your Kinder Joy? These shoes are adorable. Would you wear them? Only one star have a treasure box. Is it pink star, blue star, purple star, or rainbow star? Did your star bring you good luck? Open your Kinder Joy to reveal your dream house. Awesome! Would you live here forever? Which nail design matches your Kinder Joy? I love this design. Which one is your favorite? Which backpack are you taking today? That backpack looks perfect for school. Choose your Kinder Joy to reveal your crown. You look like Sanrio royalty. Which adorable pet chose you? Aw, this pet is so cute. Open your Kinder Joy to reveal your phone. This phone looks so stylish. Do you like it? Choose your action. Like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for supporting Choosy Quiz. Which hairband is hidden inside your Kinder Joy? These hairbands are so pretty. Which dream car is waiting for you? Now just imagine driving this every day. Reveal your dream hairstyle. This hairstyle looks absolutely beautiful. Choose your Kinder Joy to reveal your swimming pool. Pool party time! Choose one mystery door. 1, 2, 3. tree. I wonder what was hiding behind your door. Oops, the second door is full of work. Reveal your gaming room. This Hello Kitty room looks so much fun. Which school uniform did your Kinder Joy choose? You look great in this uniform. Open your Kinder Joy to reveal your cake. Yum! That cake looks delicious. Which bicycle are you riding today? I would like to ride on Cinnamoroll bicycle. Reveal your dream hoodie. Would you wear it? It looks so cozy. Which bracelet is inside your Kinder Joy? This bracelet completes your outfit perfectly. Choose your Kinder Joy, Hello Kitty, Cinnamoroll, or Kuromi. Hello Kitty keychain is adorable. I'd put it on my backpack. Reveal your dream swing. This looks like the perfect place to relax. Rate this dress. Amazing. Great. Good. Okay. Not my style, or trash. Be honest, what's your rating? Open your Kinder Joy, Hello Kitty, Cinnamoroll, or Kuromi. I would love to bake here. Which wristwatch did your Kinder Joy choose? This watch looks fantastic. Would you wear it every day? Reveal your princess castle. This castle is magical. Which bunk bed is waiting for you? So which one are you choosing? Open your Kinder Joy to reveal your dream motorbike. Wow, motorbikes look so awesome! Which Sanrio character is your favorite? Hello Kitty, Cinnamoroll, or Kuromi? Great choice! Tell everyone your favorite in the comments. That's all for today's Kinder Joy Challenge. See you in the next Choosy quiz video.